Hi my friends, welcome back. I'm George Pierce. This video is about my weekly giveaway. Each week I give away an internet marketing gift, and there's no strings attached, there's no email required, it's 100% free. And this week's giveaway is an ebook. The name of the ebook is Why Some People Fail at Internet Marketing. And unfortunately, a lot of people fail at internet marketing, and that's why this book, I believe, is going to be so helpful and so useful. We do need to get to it, but just a reminder that if you're interested in making money online as an affiliate or growing a YouTube channel, that's what this channel is all about. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, and ring the bell. That way you're going to get notified when these videos published. Before we get to my giveaway, I'd like to share a story with you. It's a true story. If you're a swimmer, you probably have heard of Florence Chadwick. And if you haven't, that's okay. Now, this is a true story. Florence Chadwick, in 1950, Florence Chadwick was the first woman to swim the English Channel across and back, both ways. And she swam it, at that time, she swam it in record time. So about 2 years later, on July 4th, 2 years later, on July 4th, 1952, she began a swim from Catalina Island to Palos Verdes. Now, Catalina Island is about 26 miles off the California coast. So she was going to swim from the island to the coast, which is Palos Verdes. On the 4th, on the day of her swim, it was fog. It was just absolute fog. You just couldn't see a thing. So she started swimming, and there was a solid wall of fog. The fog never lifted, and Florence swam for about 16 hours. And this was actually, at the time, millions of people were watching her on the TV. The water was cold. The water was cold as ice. Florence's mother, was in one of the boats that were escorting her along her way and actually fighting off sharks and all kinds of stuff. Her mother was on one of the boats, and her mother is trying to cheer her on, letting her know that there's just a little bit further to go, but she can't see the coast because of the fog. The fog is so dense she cannot see her objective. She cannot see her goal. So she was urged not to quit. It was just a little bit further to go. She had no idea how far away she actually was. The fog was relentless. With only about a mile left to go, Florence asked to be pulled out. So that ended her swim. The story's not over, but I am going to interrupt the story for just a moment. If you like this video, and I hope you do, give it a big old thumbs up. Hit that like button right now. I'd appreciate it. So several hours later, after thawing out, Frances talked to reporters, not excusing myself, but if I could have seen the land, I might have made it. What stopped her was not the fatigue. It wasn't the cold water. It wasn't the ice cold water. What defeated Florence was the fog. She was simply unable to see her goal. Now, the good news is that just about 2 months later, Florence tried once again. And again, she ran into pea soup fog. But she did the swim anyways, and this time things were different. And on that day, Florence Chadwick not only swam the 26 miles, not only the first woman to swim that 26 miles, she broke the men's record for that swim by 2 hours. She said that she kept a mental image of the shoreline in her mind. So let's get back to my weekly giveaway, Why Some People Fail at Internet Marketing. I want to highlight upon a few of the things that this covers because it really gets into, in my opinion, just about every mistake you and I can make. And I hate to admit it, but my first 12 to 18 months, I was the king of mistakes, and I still believe I wear that crown. And I had to fix my mistakes the hard way, which is trial and error, and mostly error. I certainly can relate to virtually. I can relate to everything in that book. But it gets into stuff like attitude, because it says your attitude is half the battle. It may be maybe 99% of the battle. It gets into stuff like strengths and weaknesses, false expectations, why you should not quit your job, why you don't give yourself enough time to learn. The fact that build it and they will come is certainly doesn't apply anymore. Things like trying to be too perfect, mangling your domain name, putting too much emphasis on your website, your web design, website development, complicating your website development, not putting up enough offers, not putting up a sufficient amount of offers, offering things that you don't have any experience with, missing out on some of your money options, not expanding your money options, not exploring other ways of making money. No sales pipeline. You got to have a pipeline. And planning your pipeline. One of the things that still happens, I've been in this business over 15 years and I still get a number of sales monthly and I have no idea where they're from because I didn't track. These are just some of the things that this book is going to help you with, just some of the things. The ebook also comes with what are called resale rights, and that allows you to not only use the ebook for your own personal benefit, which I think it's going to help all of us, but you can also give it away. You can also use it as an incentive if you want to use it to grow a list. For example, if you want to use it as a bonus, you can even resell it and keep all the money. And to make it even easier for you to use this as an incentive, it's going to come with an email capture page as well as a thank you page. These are all included. And to get this free download, the link is https://Cutley, CUTT.ly/stop failing, STOP-FAILING. That link again is https://CUTT.ly/stop-FAILING. Just a reminder, if you haven't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button. Do that right now, and that way you're going to get notified. You're not going to miss out on these videos. I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you, and allow me to wish you much success.